Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, continuing on with the Elceram Nitride ESC, we're now onto the turbo timing menu. So I'll bring in, show you what we've got on that and see what you guys think. So, as with the rest of the menu, just pressing all the two out buttons, then we move across to the turbo timing. So, on this one, first off, we've got the actual turbo level. So we can change this all the way up to 63, and then we can go all the way down to 0. And this is purely down to how you want it to be set and the amount of extra turbo that you want. The main takeaway from this one is the more turbo value, the faster your motor will go, so the faster your RC's top speed. And your ramp up and ramp down is just the amount of speed time it takes once you hit 100% throttle to actually turbo up. You ramp down, once you let go, how quickly it drops. Then we've got a delay in seconds. So on this one, we can go all the way down to instant, or we can turn it up. And we can go all the way up to 1 second of delay. Now the stock delay on this one, I believe I've got it set at 0.2. So it's pretty quick, but not absolutely instant. And then your ramp up is how quickly it's going to increase that turbo. So we can have it absolute instant, and it does say instant. So we can go all the way down to 10, and I believe we can go all the way up to 1,000, or you can have it instant. And I think the stock one where it's telling you to do on this is around 450. But again, this is going to be something that you're going to have to tune to your individual preference. And then you've also got the ramp down that you can do the same. So it suggests having it at 350, but you can change it all the way up to 1,000. And I think the lowest we can have it, if we go all the way down, is 10. But it does suggest on this one for two-wheel drive carpet, which I'm going to be running this in, have it set at 350. So basically what I'm going to try, see how we get on with it. Then you just press the save to save it, and that's your turbo settings. So hopefully that kind of makes sense to anybody. Most of these settings are pretty much what you're going to be used to. But let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the turbo timing menu on the Elceram Nitride ESC. The more I play with this, the more I actually really like the fact that we've just got this menu built on the speed controller, and it would be so quick to just pull your car up in pits in practice, make a few changes, send it straight back out. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. Hopefully you find this useful, entertaining, or just like listening to my incessant ramblings. But catch you guys again in the next one.